Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be shooting these little balls out of a really powerful nerf gun. And I'm going to be shooting it at, say a bowling pin. I'm going to be shooting it at a bowling pin. So, I'm going to go get that nerf gun and my ammo. So, I'll see you in a second. Bye. Alright, so I'm back and got my gun and my nerf rifle gun. And then I got my bucket of ammo. There's so much ammo in here. Like there's orange ones, so there's orange ones, there's blue ones. And those are really the only colors I have. Alright, so let's go outside and shoot some bowling pins. Okay guys, so we couldn't go downstairs into the hallway because I was downstairs in the office, and now we're in my room because I couldn't really find out a way to whatchamacallit. Oh yeah, it was too loud down there, so I couldn't possibly record a video without you guys hearing the TV. So my bowling pin right here, and then I just filled up my nerf gun with ammo. So let's go shoot some bowling pins. Okay, so I got the bowling pin set up. Now let's see. Can you guys see the bowling pin right here? Can you guys see the bowling pin? Yeah. I think you can see the bowling pin. So I'm gonna lay on the floor. The ammo loaded in here. Now Alright, now let's go. If I knock it over, you guys have to like and subscribe. I knocked it down. That means you all have to like and subscribe. Yeah. And maybe turn on notifications. Alright, let's go set this up again. We'll set it up in the corner this time. Corner this time. This is a tiny little ball that shoots with so much power. Alright. Let's go again. Oh, that's another knock. That's another knock. Let's see if we can get it out. Let's see if we can get it out this time. Let's see if we can shoot that one. I don't think that worked very well. Well, I'm just gonna count that as a knockover because of the fluorescent here, it would have knocked over. Alright, now where can I put it? Could I stand it up like right here? Could it fall over? Like right here? Edge of my bed. No, we're just gonna do this. Sorry about the movement. I have a waterbed, so it's kind of annoying. Kind of annoying because the camera moves. Alright. Yeah, it takes two. And my don't want that. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna use. Can you see that? Yeah, kind of. Alright, let's just do that for now. The second to last shot before the video is ending. First shot. Oh wait, I didn't. There. Yes. Alright. Last shot, guys. Well, that was a good video. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Subscribe.